Hello guys, welcome to Coding Made Easy with Alphas. So today we are going to focus on strings. Basically we are going to reverse a string without using string function. I've seen most cases from class and I've seen other people from other classes basically facing some misunderstanding when it comes to reverse this program of reversing a string without using string function and also capitalizing strings without using string functions. Please, you have to note that in real life you might not use this concept of reversing a string without using the string function because you have the string function. The whole idea of programming is to make less code but with high efficiency and correctness. So, but the idea in learning these programs is to have you exposed to the programming environment and to help you think in a way that is logical when it comes in terms of programming, okay? Like making you think in programming terms, okay? Like helping your mind develop skills in programming and innovating like ideas and all. So please do not memorize these programs. I would prefer that I will put the code on the description, but do not memorize these programs. You have to see the logic. You have to understand what is happening. You have to know how to implement these programs on your own. Perhaps like writing another program with your own way of writing. Okay, so we are going to use this without adding any functions so that there is less confusion. We're going to add functions later into the course. Okay, so now let's dive in. So int main void only, by the way, I only have got include stdio and string.h, which might use some string functions in our program. So basically that's why I included string.h. So you will see when I'm going to use some string function which are not string reverse. So let's say int main void so let's get the string from the user. So I'm going to call it name. Anyway, you can call it any way you want. Let's give it a length of 34. Okay, just in case. So let's prompt the user to enter the input printf. Please enter the string. Let's give in some space, and then let's store the get s. I'm going, not that I'm using get s, I'm not using scanf. Scanf will only scan one character at a time. Therefore, you have to use the while loop to store each character time up to the end of the string, like up to the end of the array, which is a string, which is essentially array of characters. Okay, so you have to loop through the array up to the end. So I'm not using scanf right here. If you want to use scanf, you can use scanf if you want to. Basically, you have to start a while loop, and then your while loop should end when the ith character is not equal to that now character. If it's not equal to another character, that's when you should end. And then you will be storing your variables I++ and all. So here I'm using getS, which is simpler and much easier. So getS to store the variable, and then now I'm going to have a variable called n. This will store my string length, okay, like the length of the string. So string length for the length of the string. You can calculate the length of the string on your own also. You can use that same while loop which you are using to store the variable to check the length of the string also. So if you want me to do the program with these functions like manually written, I can do that also. You will tell me to do so. If you want me to do so, I can do that. So basically so now we're starting our for loop. So we're saying for int I is equal to n minus 1. I is greater than or equal to 0. Let's give some space so that anyone can be able to read our program. So I minus. Right, basically that's what we need. So what this statement is doing basically is we are saying, since we want to reverse a string, which is in essence just an array of characters, we will start at the end of the array going back up to 0. Okay, we are starting at n minus 1 because the string length is equal to n, of which arrays start from 0, counting from 0. So that means if the string length is 25, our last ith character will be of index 24, because it's 0 up to 20, 0 up to 24 is equal to 25 spaces like string length. It's equal to 25 characters. Okay, so our character starting from index 0 up to index string length minus 1. I hope that is understood. My English is not that so good, so you will forgive me, please. So basically what we want to do is printing each array, each character at a time. So we're going to say printf percentile C, and what do we say? And then we will say name I. That is all we need. So we are starting from n, from I is equal to last ith character of the string, and then we will be decrementing the I variable, which is I literally for iteration. Okay, then we are printing the variable each time so that we get an idea. Let's printf something here. Let's make sure that so let's say reversed string first here, reversed string. Let's give it a line break, maybe 2 of them, but we need 1, no, not more. And then at the end of the for loop also let's give a line break, so that our cursor is put line break here. Nice. So we'll save the file, which is Control S on Windows, and then we'll build and run, which is F9. Build and run, and then I will give you Elfas Masuka. Tada! It's reversed here. The string here, the string is reversed. So that's how we work on strings. How we reverse a string without using string function. Okay, you can build your own reverse string function. That's what we're going to do in one of the programs. Also, when we started on functions, when we start our tutorials on functions. For now, that's that. We can reverse any other string. Let's get another string and reverse it again. Let's F9, and then let's have maybe privileged. Let's say thank you. Thank you. Here it is. Looks ugly, but it is okay. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share the video. Share with your friends. Thank you so much.